Hello and welcome to day 29 of Bedtime Welsh. And Alice, what an awesome sentence in that video. You're doing brilliantly. And Idris, we liked your joke. Did you like the joke? You did like the joke. Idris had a joke, didn't he? What was the joke? Why do horses speak Welsh? Because they say nay. I like that. I've not heard that before. Who else? Oh, and Helena is dealing with some of the monster sentences. Yeah, absolutely. Break them down. Take your time. There's no rush. It's not a race. You just want to have a go at practicing putting all those words together. Doesn't matter how long you take. Not at all. Okay, so as promised, today let's have a slight breather. Let's go back down to some shorter stuff. So I want to introduce you to a new word today. The word for to go. To go is mynd. Mynd. So to go is
mynd.
Mynd. So I'm going. Can you figure out I'm going? You've not heard it before. I'm going is
Dwi'n mynd.
dwi'n mynd. Excellent. So I'm going to speak. There's a little extra bit in here that you might not get, but just have a shot at it. So I'm going to speak is
Dwi'n mynd I siarad.
dwi'n mynd I siarad. You probably said dwi'n mynd siarad because that's all you'd heard so far. But there's this little E sound. So when you're going to, you're mynd I. So dwi'n mynd I siarad. So how about I'm going to play?
Dwi'n mynd I chwarae.
Dwi'n mynd I chwarae. Da iawn. How about I'm going to say something?
Dwi'n mynd I dweud rhywbeth.
Dwi'n mynd I ddweud rhywbeth neu I ddeud rhywbeth. Either's fine. So how about I'm going to remember?
Dwi'n mynd I gofio.
Dwi'n mynd I gofio. You might have said dwi'n mynd I cofio. And that's fine. You'll be absolutely understood. That's just a little softening. After mynd I, it'll often get a little bit softer. Don't worry about it though. Just pick up on it when you hear it and it'll come naturally to you. Dwi'n mynd I gofio. And then finally, I'm going to work.
Dwi'n mynd I weithio.
Dwi'n mynd I weithio. You probably said dwi'n mynd I gweithio. That's the same thing. Cofio I gofio, gweithio I weithio. But don't worry at all about it. Just let it play around until the sound starts to make sense for you. So excellent. You've got I'm going to really rocking along. Well done. And we'll see you tomorrow for a little bit more. Hwyl am y tro.
Ta!
Ta-ra!